What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing December's Allure Beauty Box. Are you excited? I'm excited too. I cannot wait to see what they have in store for us for December. But before we get started, I do want to introduce myself to those of you who are new and you've never seen us before. I am Simply Carrie, and this is my co-host, Diva Doll, and we are going to give you our reaction and our review of this month's product. So if you're interested in Allure, we do unboxings every month of Allure, Ipsy, so on and so forth. So definitely, if you want to see that, definitely hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our uploads in the future. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box. So what do we have? What's the first thing? Oh, what is this? Beauty Loot. Okay, I like this little bag. It's got a little surprise in here. It's a surprise. Look at this. We have a little surprise. I have no clue what this is. It just says Beauty Loot.
Need to open it?
But I like the little pouch. Here, go ahead and open it.
Grandma.
So it says, thank you. We hope you enjoy the special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Thank you, Allure. Thank you. So what do we have? We have our own gift. It is, it looks like it's perfume. It's Giorgio Armani. Oh,
I can see what's in that.
Well, you gotta try it. Let's see what it smells like. Let's see what it smells like. So this is just a special gift. Beauty Loot.
This lipstick.
Oh, I thought it was
Look.
I thought it was perfume. It's lipstick. Oh, how cute.
I can do
I love this. You want to put this on your lips?
Oh,
Here, I'll do it for
where's
you.
the mirror?
Oh, we don't have a mirror over here? Okay, so while Diva Doll puts that on, this is Rouge de Armani Matte, Intense Matte and Comfort Lip Color. Okay, it looks like 400. Looks like a red. This is obviously it's a sample size. What do you think? Oh, I like it, it's pretty. So I can add this to my collection of reds. Oh, you got a little smear over here, oops. What do you think? Do you like it? Yes?
I think you would take this back.
Okay, but I like this. This is really nice. Thank you, Allure, for the gift. Okay, so I'm happy so far. I'm loving it. What do we have next? Okay, so this one's called By Me and My Beauty Brand.
Let's open it.
By Me and My Beauty Brand. So what is this? What is the By Me and My Beauty Brand? Okay, so By Me and My Beauty Brand. Oh, this is eyeliner. I think this is eyeliner. Let's see, close your eyes. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to do it too bad. Okay, I got my glasses on, but my hand is not even. Okay, relax your eyes. Relax them. Okay, don't squinch. We're gonna, uh-oh. We wouldn't want me to be a makeup artist here. Oh God, what am I doing? I'm making all sorts of a mess over here. What on earth? Oh. Okay, open your eyes. I love it. I love it, but I just didn't, my hand wasn't steady.
I did do it.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. My hand just wasn't steady, but I love it. Well, you're kind of all up there on the top. Oh, okay.
Right here?
No, don't put any on the bottom. No, just on the top, just the top. No, on the eyeliner. Oh God.
That's camera.
Okay, yeah, because we've got to take this off, so. I like this, and I needed it. Oh, you know what? Let's do a cat eye. We're gonna do a cat eye. Okay, and I'm kind of in a weird position, so it's kind of hard for me to do your cat eye, but here we go. Oh boy. Well, no, let's do it. Well, yeah, there we go. Look at that, a nice deep cat eye. Oh yeah. We're working our magic. There we go. What do you think? You like it? Well, I kind of, oh, you want a nose? Well, we're not doing Halloween right now, but we will. Okay, so this is $22, where you can buy it at mybeautybrand.com. And if you enter Allure 20 at checkout, you will receive 20% off your order. This is valid from December through February 1st, 2021. Okay, I really do like this, and I really did need another one, but this looks really nice. So this is awesome. What else do we have? Oh, this looks like a full size. Wow, look at this. Okay, so what is it called? It's called Mud Masky. And what is this? This is Leave Me On Winter Mask. pH balance, protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, and anti-aging. Okay, this, the price on this is $45.85. This looks like the actual full size here. You can get this at mudmasky.com. Open it up and smell it. Let's see what it smells like.
Grandma,
I don't smell anything, but I like the idea of not smelling anything. Yeah, there's a little lipstick on it, but that's okay. So what else do we have? I like that.
perfume.
This might not be perfume. This is Caudalie Paris Venusaur Serum SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. So this is a serum for moisturizing your skin. The price on this is $49, and you can get this at Caudalie.com.
Let's try it.
Okay, go ahead, try it.
That's good.
Very light fragrance to it. Nothing overbearing or crazy. I do like this. How does it feel? I do like that it's lightweight. I do like that it has a very light scent to it. Ooh, this looks like a full-size product. A 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Oh, thank you.
You did keep it.
You haven't even seen it. Look, oh my God. I like this. Open it up. I don't think that I'm gonna pronounce this properly, so I'll leave the title, I'll leave the name of it. It's Ciate London Trend Edit Palette is what it's called. Okay, where can you buy it? At, I don't know if it's ciatelondon.com. Here, I'll take it. Okay, it's $24, and let's take a look and see what kind of palette we've got. That was a nice surprise, because I don't think that I normally see a lot of makeup. It's more skincare that I see from Allure, so it's really interesting to get some makeup for a change. Ooh, look at all the glittery colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That looks fabulous. This is perfect for the holiday season. Okay, so I just got Diva an eyeshadow brush, so let's go ahead. We don't want to mix up these shadows, okay? You don't want to mix up the colors. Just choose one color. Which color did you choose?
I choose this one.
The one in the middle? Okay, so Diva's gonna put on this one right here in the center. Do they have the names of the, okay, so the one that she's going to put on, this is really tiny. It's called Love Heart. Oh, that goes on so nice. Let me see. Beautiful. I love it. The pigment, it goes on so nice. This is pretty. I definitely would have to get some of this. Try this color right here as well. Oh, this is gorgeous. And look, you don't have to fight to get it on, and It's pretty and it sparkles and it's for the holidays and I love it. This is awesome. I love this. I am just so not disappointed at all. Right, this is the La Roche-Posay. It's a retinol B3 serum, anti-wrinkle concentrate. I could definitely use that. Pure gradual release retinol and vitamin B3.
Let's try it.
The price on this is $39. You can get it at larocheposay.us. So let's put, you know what, let's put a little on the back of the hand. Okay, I'm gonna put a little on mine, not too much. Okay, this looks like it's very light. Looks like it's very lightweight. Looks like it may go on like water actually.
Oh, smell it. Smell it, Grandma.
I don't smell an odor, which is a good thing. It goes on really light and soft.
I
So
smell it.
we have
Smell mine.
a slight hint of something, yeah. It's very, very light. Okay, so if there is a fragrance, it is very light, which, you know, I don't want anything that's overpowering that I would have to take off because I can't stand the odor. So that's really nice, I like that. And what is our last thing? Cetaphil, I do like Cetaphil. They're recommending this for the face. I usually use something like this for my entire body. This is something actually you can find it out of a drugstore, to tell you the truth. And a lot of times doctors will recommend it. What are you doing? Oh, you're wrapping yourself? Okay, and a lot of times doctors will recommend something like this, especially if you have eczema. Okay, but I really do like this brand, and this will be perfect to put in my purse to keep my hands moisturized, even though it does say face. Let me put it on the back of my hand.
What about me?
Yes, go ahead. Okay, so it comes out in a cream like that. It's pretty thick, so I think that, yes, very nice, very faint, light fragrance. I think that if you do need a lot of moisture for your face, then definitely I could see putting it on your face, especially in the winter time when your skin is dry. I don't think I'd recommend this for anybody with oily skin. Okay, but it says dermatologist tested as well. This is a really good brand. What are you doing? No, we don't want to do that, and take that off. Okay. Overall, what did you think? Thumbs up. I think so too. In fact, I'm gonna do more than thumbs up. I really did enjoy Allure's Beauty Box this month. So in addition to some really cool serums and moisturizers that we got, okay, we got 3 of those. Okay, we really got some really cool things like the lipstick. Really excited to add this to my collection of red lipsticks. We got the Ciate eyeshadow mask, awesome. I love the color. We got the By Me and My Beauty brand eyeliner, full size. We got the Leave Me On winter mask, which is another full size. So we really did get a really good deal for our Allure Beauty Box for December, and I'm really excited and happy about it. And thank you so much to Allure. You made my December. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. I wanna thank you so much for watching our video if you've come this far. And if you've come this far, obviously you like what you see, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.